This is just a sample of the audiobook. To get the complete audiobook, access the link posted in the first comment.
Once you have the list in your mind, go through it forwards and backwards a few times to make sure it's all there. You can also link more information to the list so it becomes like a new peg list. You could link each vice president to your presidents, just like we did with the foreign words and capitals. You can also connect your links or stories to some of the other systems that you've already learned. You can link more than one concept at a specific place or compartment on the car, body, pegs, or journey method. This way you can remember thousands of words or concepts by connecting links to a short mental journey. It's so powerful because we use more of our creativity and imagination to make the information outstanding, therefore stimulating our interest and curiosity, keeping our attention at a peak. Each word reminds you of the next. You're making your own links, and you're only memorizing 2 things at a time. You can also use this method to memorize paragraphs of information. All that you have to do is condense everything down to a list of key words and then convert those lists into meaningful link stories. A whole syllabus or a book can be condensed into a ridiculous story. When you do this, it's easy to remember, giving you a great mental workout. And it's fun.